Well, as estheticians, we should always be concerned with the cost per treatment in our treatment room, how to save money. I like deals, I like sales. That's why we go to trade shows. So the awesome thing about Hale and Hush is it has those deals and those sales every day. These two products are hero products. It comes in 3 different ways. But the awesome thing is,
You save 20% all the time.
if you buy them together. So these are our duo kits. Chris magically created these little kits, and they're 20% off if you buy in kit form. So this is our retail kit form, this is our treatment kit form, and then this is our other treatment kit form. So all of those, if you just flip over your order sheet or online, you
Bundle
push
and save.
Bundle and save. Everyone loves those words. Then you can automatically save 20% on our bundles. And it doesn't just affect the big bundles, it's also these little Duo 1, Duo 2, and Duo 3 kits.